Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are healthy, happy and safe at your home. Now, today we are going to start our new academic session and I am Grishma Trivedi welcomes you back in our new session. Today we are going to start our first unit and our first poem is Wake Up. Wake up, it's a lovely day. Children, do you like to wake up early in the morning? Yes, everyone likes to get up early in the morning, yes? And when we wake up early in the morning, it gives us full of energy and we feel freshness, yes? So here poet tells us to wake up early in the morning and because it is a lovely day. What is lovely? Lovely means very beautiful. Oh, please get up and come and play. And here poet tells us to get up. Please get up fast and come and play. What he tells us? To come out and play because playing is a best exercise. So poet tells us to come and play. The birds are singing in the trees and you can hear the buzzing bees. So what is this? Yes, when you wake up early in the morning, you can hear the birds are singing in the trees. See, birds are always wake up early. Birds wake up early. So, when we wake up early, we can hear the singing of the birds. And you can hear the buzzing bees. What is buzzing? Yes, the humming sound of bees is buzzing. And when you wake up early, you can also hear the buzzing sound of the bees. Okay, this is our first stanza. So let us repeat it. Wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. The birds are singing in the trees and you can hear the buzzing bees. So this is our first stanza. Now let us see our second stanza. In our second stanza, there is a repetition of the first stanza. The 4 lines are same. Wake up, it's a lovely day. Poet tells us to wake up because it's a very beautiful day. Oh, please get up and come and play. It's much too late to lie in bed. So hurry up, you sleepy head. Here poet tells to don't lie in bed till late morning. Hurry up and get up fast. Sleepy head. What is sleepy head? Here sleepy head means a sleepy person. So lie in bed till late morning is not a good habit. Hurry up, you sleepy head. Here is our second stanza. Let us repeat it. Wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. It's much too late to lie in bed. So hurry up, you sleepy head. Now let us move to our third stanza. Wash and dress and come on out. Do your regular things properly and fast. Wash and dress up fast and come on out. Everyone is up and about. Everyone is getting ready and they all are up and about. The cow, the horses, the ducks. Who is ready? The cow, horses, ducks and the sheep. They all are ready. The tiniest chicken, chip, 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 wake up. Tiniest means smallest. Tiniest means smallest, very small. Very small chicken is also wake up early in the morning, and chip 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 is a sound of a chicken. So here everyone is wake up early in the morning. So children, there are lots of benefit of wake up early in the morning. Everyone tells you to get up early in the morning. Yes, if you want to be happier, fitter, healthy and smart, you have to go to bed early and wake up early. Early to bed and early to rise makes the children healthy, wealthy and wise. So here is our third stanza. Wash and dress and come on out. Everyone is up and about. The cow, the horses, the ducks and the sheep. The tiniest chicken, chip, 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 wake up. So my dear children, it's time to stay safe at home, but it's not a time to become lazy. Get up early and start your day with full energy. Okay? So thank you. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe and keep your study.